So we start with question 1. This one is going to be a long ride, so be ready for what is coming. So question 1, in a particular locality, 25 people like walking, 22 people like running, and 15 people are cycling during their morning routine exercises. 11 people like both walking and running, 9 people like both running and cycling, 7 people like both walking and cycling, 3 people like all the 3 activities, while 7 people do not like any of the activities. Okay, so of course they want us to represent this on a Venn diagram. So we have 3 sets. So set E. What activities do we have? We have walking. Okay, then we have running, we call it R, and we have cycling, which we are going to call as C. Okay, so how do we tackle this one? So it's always advisable to start with those who do all the 3 activities. Okay, so in this case, 3 people like all the 3 activities. We put 3 here. And also this one, no, 7 people do not like any of the activities. We can put 7 here. Then we can even start going backwards. 7 people like both walking and cycling. Okay, so they haven't said 7 people like both walking and cycling only, meaning that among these 7, there are some who may also be interested in the third activity, which is running. Okay, so but they have said 7 are those who like walking and um and cycling. Okay, so meaning that they're supposed to be here because they like both, so they're supposed to be here. So but we already have 3 here because the total here should be 7. Okay, so we have to subtract 7 minus 3 is going to be 4. Okay, so that the total is 7 for those who enjoy walking and cycling. Okay, we go. Next one was saying 9 people like both running and cycling. So running and cycling we have 9, but we already have 3 here, so 9 minus 3 6. Okay, we go back. 11 people like both walking and running, so 11 minus 3 8. Okay, we have 8 there. Okay, we can continue going back. 15 people like cycling. So 15 people like cycling. So the total of cycling here, they haven't said cycling only. So it means the 15, some of them may be interested in these other activities. So here we have 4 plus 3, which is 7, plus 6, which gives us 13. Okay, that's the total I've written in cycling already. But they have said 15 like cycling. Okay, meaning that 15 minus 13, it's going to be 2. Okay, we continue. 22 people like running, so 22 like running, but we have already here, we already have 8, 3 and 6. So 8 plus 3 plus 6, it's going to give us 17. So if we subtract 17 from 22, we get 5. Okay, we go to the next. 25 people like walking, so in walking they're supposed to be 25. We've already written 4 plus 3 plus 8, which gives us 15. 25 minus 15, it's 10. We are done. Okay, so now we'll go to the questions. The first one was saying I've covered them here, but I'll be reading them. So question going to how many people. So question 2a, how many people are in this locality? So you just have to add the numbers. 10 plus 8, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 3, 26 plus 6, 32 plus 4, 36 plus 2, 38 plus 7, 45. Okay, the next question was saying how many people like walking only? How many people like walking only? So these 10 are the ones who are just in walking. So the answer is 10. Okay. Then the last one was saying, how many people like two different activities only? So those who just like two activities. Okay. We're talking about this 6, which is found in this, and this 4, which is found in this, and this 8, which is found in this and this. So 4 plus 6 plus 8 is going to be 18. We go to question 2. At a certain secondary school, all the learners in grade 12 take at least one of the following optional subjects: French, F, home economics, HE, and geography, G. Okay, so whatever the English, the pattern is going to be the same. So let's come up with the Venn diagram. Okay, so don't forget to write your E there. We have French, home economics, and geography. Okay, so again, we're going to go backwards. So it says 15 learners take geography and home economics, and 4 learners take all the 3 subjects. So 4 take all the 3 subjects. So this time we won't have any number outside, because they were say at the beginning of the sentence it says all the learners in grade 12 take at least one of the following optional subjects, meaning that so long as you are at this school, you're supposed to take this, or this. Okay, so there's no one who cannot be taking any of the 3. Okay, so we go back. 15 learners take geography and home economics. So 15 take geography and home economics. So and it's here in between G and home economics. So they are 15. 15 minus 4, it's 11. Okay. Then we go back. 12 learners take French and home economics. So here it's supposed to be 12. 12 minus 4, it's going to be 8. Okay. We go back. 9 learners take French and geography. So between French and geography, we have 9. Okay. 9 minus 4, it's 5. Okay. We go back. 22 learners take geography only. So now this is different from the previous question. This one is saying they take geography only. They take geography only, meaning that they're just in G alone. Okay. So these 22 are just in here. Okay. So that's the power of the word only. Next, 25 learners take home economics only. So 25, we put them here without subtraction. Okay. 20 learners take French only. So we put 20 here. Okay. So that's the Venn diagram. So question 2 is saying how many grade 12 learners are at this school? You need to add these numbers. Okay, let me see if we can do it without wasting time. 20 plus 25 is 45. Okay, 45 plus 5, it's 50. 50 plus 8, 58 plus 4, 62. Okay, 62 plus 22, it's going to be 62, 72, 82, 84 plus 11, it's going to be 95. Okay, the next question was saying how many take home economics and geography but not French? How many take home economics, this, and geography but not French? So they have said how many take this and this, meaning they want those here who take this and this at the same time, but not French. So these are the ones who are taking French, meaning that we are remaining with 11 here. Okay, we are remaining with 11. Okay, so it's just 11. It's the one that is between geography and home economics, but not in F. The last question reads, take 2 optional subjects only. So optional subjects, we're talking about, okay, Okay, so optional subjects, we're talking about two optional subjects only. We're talking about this 5 here, this 11 here, and this 8 here. So 11 plus 8, 19 plus 5, 24. So the answer is 24. Going to question 3. In a group of 60 football fans, 37 support team A, 28. Okay, again the English. Let's just draw the Venn diagram. We start working. So we have got 3 sets as usual. So we have a football, which we're going to use F. Sorry, we have team A, then team B, and team C. Okay, so we're going to start from this one, which says all the 3 teams. So 10 support all the 3 teams. So we put 10 here. Then 18 support team A only. 18 support team A only. Again, I don't feel comfortable starting with those in one set, but I pick these who are in 2 sets. Two support team A and team C only. Team A and team C only. They have put only. You don't have to do any subtraction. You just have to put the way they have given you the number. Then the next 5 support team B and team C only. So 5 team A and team B only. 7 support team A and team B only. Or 5 is team B and team C. So 5, then 7 here. Okay. Then 18 support team A only. So team A, we have 18. What else is missing here? In a group of 60 football fans, the 7 support team A, 28 support team B, and 29 support team C. Oh, there is information that we have missed. Okay. 37 support team A. So if we add these in team A, is it going to be 37? So if we add 18 plus 7, 25 plus 10, 35 plus 2, 37. Good. Okay. What about 28 support team B? In team B, do we have 28? 7 plus 10, 17 plus 5, it's 22. But they have said 28, meaning that 6 are missing. Those 6 are the ones they have not mentioned, which are supposed to be here. Okay. Then there's also 29. 29 support team C. Okay. 29 support team C. So if you go in C, there is 2 plus 10, which is 12 plus 5, 17. But they have said 29 support team C. So 29 minus 17. Okay. 29 minus 17. What do we get? Okay. So it's 12. 29 minus 17, it's 12. So 12 we're going to put here. So this is the set. Okay. So the next question was saying find number of elements in B complement. Number of elements in B complement. Okay. So they are saying we add everything that is outside B. So we're talking about 18 plus 2, 20 plus 12. Okay. By the way, you may have overlooked one thing. They said in a group of 60 football fans, in a group of 60 football fans. So when we add these numbers, do they give us 60? Let's try. 18 plus 7 is 25, plus 6, 81, plus 10, 41, plus 2, 43, plus 5, 48, plus 12, 60. Okay, so the numbers are adding up. If they don't, it means there are others who don't like any of these. Okay, so you need to subtract from the total. What you have counted, you subtract from the total. What remains is what you put outside the 3 sets. This time, it's simple. We don't have to do that. Okay, so numbers of B complement. Okay, so number of elements in B complement. So we have to count numbers that are outside B. 18 plus 2, 20 plus 12, 32. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, going to B, number of elements in A intersect B complement. So A intersect B complement. So anything outside A intersect B, that's what they want. Anything outside the A intersect B. We're talking about the same 18 plus 2, 20, plus 12, 32, plus 5, 37, plus 6, it's going to be 43. Okay, then we continue. The last one says number of elements in A union B complement. Number of elements in A union B complement. So A union B, we know what it is. It's A and the B. So complement everything outside these two. What number is there? It's just 1. Number of elements in A union B complement. What mistake have I made? I think this is supposed to be 12, right? Yes, it's 12 and they rest it. So the answer is 12 on C. Okay, we go to question 4. At Sambilene College, 20 students studied at least one of the 3 subjects. Again, this shows that there's no one outside the 3 sets. Mathematics, chemistry, and physics. We can do the Venn diagram so that as we are reading, we are able to be putting the numbers. Okay, so we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. Okay, so we have maths, chemistry, and physics. Maths, chemistry, and physics. Okay, so the English says all those who study chemistry, also study mathematics. So any number that you put in chemistry should be in mathematics. Okay, that's what it means there. So 3 students studied all the 3 subjects. 3 students studied all the 3 subjects. So we have 3 here. 4 students study mathematics only. So there are 4 who are in just mathematics only. 8 students study chemistry. 8 students study chemistry. So in chemistry, there are 8. But remember, all those who are in chemistry are supposed to be in mathematics, which means these 8 we're supposed to put them somewhere where mathematics is, here and here. Okay, but here there's already 3. Okay, so and we have been given 8. So 8 minus 3, 5. So here we put 5. Okay, let me put it in red so that it is visible. 5 there. Okay, so it means that the total of those who are in chemistry, it's 5 plus 3, which is 8. But both of these are in mathematics. So meaning that this English here has been satisfied, where all those who study chemistry also studies mathematics. Okay, we continue. And 14 students study mathematics. So they're saying 14 study mathematics. But how many are in mathematics already? There's 5, there's 4, which is 9, plus 3, which is 12. But they've said 14. Okay, meaning that there are 2 who are supposed to be in mathematics, not shown. And you can see the only space that has been left for mathematics is here. So that 2 is supposed to be here. Okay, mathematics is filled now. Okay. Now there is let's see if the total is equal to 20, since there are 20 students here. Okay, so if we do 4 plus 5, it's 9, plus 2, it's 11, plus 3, it's 14. Okay, 4 plus 5, 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 3, it's 14. So meaning that from the 20 students, there are 6, the ones we don't know where they are. Okay, so we can put them here, we can put them here, or we can put them here. So where can we put them? if we put them here, we're going to go against the English, which says all those who do chemistry must be in mathematics, because this region is not in mathematics. Okay, if we put them here, still again, we are going against it, because this has chemistry, but it says all those who do chemistry are supposed to be in mathematics. This is not in mathematics, meaning that we are left with this region here. Okay, and this is our final Venn diagram. So going to question 2a, how many students study physics only? Physics only, it's 6. Two types of subjects only, it's 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5, it's 7. Mathematics and physics, but not chemistry. Mathematics and physics, but not chemistry. So mathematics and physics is the middle here, but not chemistry.